In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a board on Monday.com. So as you can see here on my screen, I have here 5 boards. So if I want to duplicate this last board in here, I could just click this 3 dots and then let's find the duplicate board. So once we hit this, we also have the option to rename our board, this new board that we have duplicated. Example, this board would be our, let's just say, task management, just like for an example. Or you could also choose what to duplicate. Do you want to duplicate the structure only? Or do you want to duplicate the items as well? Or do you want to duplicate basically the whole stuff, the structure, the items, and updates? So I will choose the third one. And also here at the bottom, you can check this box if you want to keep the board subscribers. Example, if the board that you wanted to duplicate, you already have some subscribers in there and you also want them to be subscribed on the board that you have created. So you could just click this or check this box. But if you don't want them to be, included this board, you could just leave it as default. And then let's just hit duplicate. And let's wait it to load. And that's it. We have already duplicated a board. And that's about it. That's how you duplicate a board on Monday.com. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.